Hello friends, energized and energetic with lots of positive vibes. Be energetic always. However, you're fantastic, excellent, superb, awesome. You must be. आप लोगों को सस्टेनेबल कैरियर के बारे में पता है? सस्टेनेबल क्या है? मतलब आपका कैरियर जो है ऑलमोस्ट सिक्योर. दैट मीन्स जो भी कैरियर आप चॉइस किया, दैट इज नॉट गोइंग टू मेक यू समथिंग लाइक दैट, थिंकिंग दैट आगे क्या होगा, नौकरी रहेगा, जॉब में प्रॉब्लम है और समथिंग एल्स. वो सब चीज़ नहीं रहेगा. वो है सस्टेनेबल करियर. चाहिए आपको सस्टेनेबल करियर. आज हम लोग डिस्कशन करेंगे. टुडे विल डिस्कस वन ऑफ द सस्टेनेबल करियर अपॉर्चुनिटीज. प्लीज ट्यून टू दिस वीडियो टिल द एंड. दिस इज गोइंग टू बी वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग वन. ओके, सो सुपर अचीवर्स, future super achievers, welcome to my channel. At the rate Pratap Harichandan, at the rate Pratap Harichandan, in the bracket the 6 Sense PH. 6 Sense PH is the organization. I am the founder of this organization, where we develop students and individuals holistically for a sustainable career opportunities, sustainable life, so that you find your best career options to live a purposeful and joyful life. लाइफ में चाहिए कि आपको, अगर पता नहीं है सो कॉन्टैक्ट कीजिए. आपका पर्पस क्या है? वाई यू हैव कम टू दिस यूनिवर्स इन द अर्थ. वाई ऐसे तो नहीं आ गया, आपको भेजा गया है टू मेक दिस वर्ल्ड ए बेटर प्लेस टू लिव थ्रू योर कंट्रीब्यूशन, थ्रू योर नॉलेज, थ्रू योर लर्निंग, थ्रू योर कैरियर, वट एवर यू चूज, वट एवर यू टॉक, एवरीथिंग देयर इज ए पर्पस बिहाइंड दैट. कोई भी काम आप पढ़े, वाई योर स्टडी, देयर इज ए पर्पस. To earn money. It is not the primary objective to only earn money, only me. No. First you start contributing and money is not a matter. Okay. Definitely you will get money. So, welcome to my channel. Let's start today's video. And that the best career, sustainable career opportunity it is as a agronomist. The career opportunity in agronomy. What does this agronomy means? It is actually studies. You will study in agronomy, soil science, plant biology, and agricultural systems. Why? Because you know how the population is increasing. Now, the world population, what is world's population? More than 8 billion. And India, more than 140 crores. So food कहाँ से आएगा? Through better crops, new crops, new varieties of crops. We have to conserve our soil health. We have to improve our soil health because day by day our soil health is degrading. I know because now the season is for rice cultivation in our area, this eastern part of Odisha. अभी हम लोग धान का चाष करने जा रहे हैं. So it is, whenever I test the soil, it is degrading because pest, only chemical pest we are putting in the soil and chemical fertilizers. Those are degrading our soil health. How to maintain the soil health? The agronomist, the agronomy you can study on that. So what does this provide us? Agronomy, if you study, what actually, why you study agronomy? It gives us the food security to all people. Then crop yield, different crop you have to develop for better crop yield. And environment, we have to maintain sustainable environment we need. We should not hammer the environment. Agriculture is hammering a lot, but it is around 29 to 30% due to agriculture. We are getting global warming is responsible for this agriculture. Because why, you know, in agriculture में क्या हो रहा है? We are using chemical fertilizers, isn't it? Pests और agriculture equipments जो है, जो भी agriculture equipment है, they are producing CO2s, tons and tons of CO2s they are producing. So we need a sustainable agricultural system and the organic fertilizers and organic pest systems. Who can do this? Only agronomist. Because we'll see next one. Next one is how to become a agronomist. isn't it? The first step is how to become. If you are really interested, first you should know आपका इंटरेस्ट होना चाहिए कि मेरे को एग्रोनॉमी पढ़ना है and I can contribute for my country in this field for a sustainable future of myself as well as for my country, for my land. How can you become agronomist? See, this is a science subject because you will study plant biology. So in आपका जो 12th क्लास में है आपको फिजिक्स केमिस्ट्री बायोलॉजी पढ़ना पड़ेगा. अभी से डिसाइड कीजिए. If you are in class 8th, 9th or 10th, then only you can choose this stream in your class 11. Then you go for your undergraduate degree, that is BSc in agronomy. And if I want to go more higher studies, you have to, because BSc doesn't suffice the requirements. तो आपको MSc as well as for research program you can go for PhD. Every state has a agriculture university. I am from Odisha, so Odisha we are having Odisha University of Agriculture and Technology, one of the most front runner in agriculture, where we start. There is a subject, there is a stream agronomy, and there is also private universities, those who are also providing the BSc in agronomy. But to get admission in government universities, you have to appear for the combined university exams, entrance exams. There you have to qualify. Then you can take admission as per your choice. All over the India, the universities are there as per your choice. You choose your best university, you go for that. If you want to do research or your master degree, you can go to the foreign universities. They are having a lot of opportunities for the Indian students. They are giving a lot of opportunities. There are a lot of facilities are there. Australia, they are investing a lot in agriculture stream, because a lot of agricultural lands are there in Australia, and New Zealand also, farm fields are. Norway, then Sweden, lot of European universities, they are giving a lot of opportunity for agronomist. Now, let us see what are the career opportunities. General career opportunities, you can become an agronomist. And what does agronomy do? Agronomist, वो एक्चुअली फार्मर के साथ में काम करता है, फील्ड में एज वेल एज ऑफिस में भी. जो ये रियल वर्क है. इफ यू आर रियली इंटरेस्टेड टू वर्क इन द फील्ड्स विद फार्मर्स, तो कुछ चैलेंजिंग जॉब है. रियली इंटरेस्टेड टू नो व्हाट इज द सॉइल, हाथ पे लेके देखिए, व्हाट इज द क्रॉप, रियल इंटरेस्टेड, then go for this one. First, you have to find your passion for this field. You can become a research scientist to develop new crops with better yield, so that the food security programs can be maintained. And you can become a free consultant. You can become a consultant to Indian government or any government, foreign governments also you can become. For local government, you can become as a freelancer. If you really want to improve the life of the farmers, you want to help the farmers, farmer को help करना चाहते हैं, अपना गांव में जाके farmers को help कर सकते हैं, isn't it? These are the real jobs. It gives actually joyfulness and happiness. This is a purpose. Then you can become a soil scientist to, what do we say, maintain our soils and improve their health, soil health. Do not degrade them, those things. You can become a soil scientist. All these things are important for our agriculture. You can become through an agronomist if you really want to become. Clear? A salary structure, entry level it is in India 3 to 5, middle 5 to 8 or 10, senior level it goes up to 20 lakhs. But you can opt for work in other countries also. It's not a lot of opportunities are there. And your purpose to help your village or your land, if you have, or your farmers, by contributing to your society, to the country. That's it for today. If you like this video, if you're really interested more to know about this, please write to me, DM me directly. We can build together. So subscribe to my channel and share my video. Other students, they let them know give feedbacks so that I can contribute more and more for your help, for your knowledge, for your learning about the careers, sustainable careers. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. Happy career. All the love, all the power.